In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a welcome system messages channel in Discord. Setting up an automatic welcome message is a great way to greet new members, make your server feel more inviting, and provide a positive first impression for everyone who joins. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process of creating a welcome system using a Discord bot and configuring it so every new member receives a custom greeting. To begin, open Discord and head to the server where you want to add the welcome message. Keep in mind that you'll either need to own the server or have the necessary permissions to manage it. Once you're inside the server, click the server name located in the upper left corner, then select Server Settings from the menu that appears. On the left-hand side of the settings page, scroll down until you find App Directory under the Apps section. Open it, then search for the bot called Dino. Once you find it, select it and choose the option to add it to your server. You'll be taken through the authorization process where you'll need to grant the required permissions so the bot can function correctly. After completing the authorization, you'll arrive at the Dino setup page. Dino includes many different features, but for this tutorial, we're focusing only on the welcome message feature. Locate the welcome option and turn it on. After enabling it, open the welcome settings section so you can begin customizing how new members will be greeted. Next, return to your Discord server. It's a good idea to create a dedicated channel specifically for welcome messages. Create a new text channel and give it a clear name such as Welcome. Once the channel has been created, head back to the Dino configuration page. Now you can customize the welcome message that new members will see when they join your server. Type the message you'd like to display. You'll also notice that Dino provides variables you can use within your message. These variables allow the bot to automatically include information such as the new member's username, making each welcome message feel more personal. Simply copy the appropriate variable and place it wherever you want it to appear in your message. After your welcome message is complete, select your newly created welcome channel as the destination for the message. If necessary, refresh the available channels so the new channel appears in the list. Once you've selected it, click Update to save your changes. From this point forward, whenever someone joins your Discord server, Dino will automatically post your customized welcome message in the welcome channel. It's a simple setup that helps create a friendly atmosphere while making every new member feel acknowledged from the moment they arrive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,